Hello my dear students, welcome back to our computer class. In the previous class, we have started lesson 6, presentation software and introduction. We have seen what is a presentation, the terms related to presentation, how to open Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, what are the screen elements in Microsoft PowerPoint application. We have discussed how to create a presentation, how to add text in slides, how to save the presentation, how to close the presentation, how to exit from the presentation, how to open the presentation, etc. Today we are going to study what are slide layouts, how to insert picture to the slide, and how to view a slideshow. By this class we will finish this lesson. So shall we begin the class? Let's see how to insert a new slide in a presentation, picture in the presentation, etc. Before moving on to inserting a new slide, let's see what are slide layouts. Layout is a method of arranging things or objects on a slide. As you all know, this is a slide. In this, you can insert many things. It may be text, picture, graphs, charts, etc. So, a layout is a method of arranging these things or objects on a slide. We should arrange these things such as text, pictures, graphs, etc. neatly. So, this layout is a method of arranging things or objects on a slide. A layout generally consists of placeholders for different types of objects or text. In the previous class, I have already told what are placeholders. Placeholder holds the objects in your slide. You can use placeholder to hold text, pictures and charts. So, you can see these rectangular boxes with dotted borders are called placeholders. This is a placeholder. This is another placeholder. Placeholders are the boxes with dotted borders. These placeholders can hold text, pictures, charts, graphs, tables, etc. You can give titles, pictures, tables, charts, list, etc. in these placeholders. So, what all we have told now? We have studied what are slide layouts. Layout is a method of arranging things or objects on a slide. There may be many components in a slide, maybe text, pictures, etc. These should be arranged neatly on a slide. So, this layout is a method of arranging things or objects on a slide. There are different types of layouts. That means we can arrange things in different types. So, there are different types of layouts that we will see. And in a slide, we can see different placeholders. These placeholders are boxes with dotted borders. These placeholders can hold text, pictures, charts, tables, etc. As I told, there are different types of slide layouts. Each time you add a new slide, you can choose a different slide layout. If you want to add new slide, you can choose which layout you want to introduce. Each time you add a new slide, you can choose a different slide layout according to your need. Now let's see what are the different types of slide layouts. To show different slide layouts, I am going to click this new slide option. The tabs and groups regarding this new slide option that I will explain later when I explain you about inserting a new slide. Now, to show different slide layouts, I have just clicked this new slide option. Now you can see these are the different slide layouts. You can see different slide layouts. That means you can see different ways of arranging the components in a slide. This is known as a title slide. Here you can see two placeholders. Here you can add a title and another title. Now, title and content. This is another slide layout. Here you can add a title in this placeholder, and in this placeholder you can add the content. Suppose you have to add details about some subject. Suppose cricket. So you can type cricket here and the explanation regarding cricket you can give in this placeholder, the second placeholder. Now section header. This is another type of slide layout. To content. This is another type of slide layout. In this you can divide the content into two categories and you can add a title here. Now comparison. Here in this slide layout you can compare two things. Now title only slide layout. Here there is only placeholder to add title. Now there is also blank slide. That means you can add things according to your wish. There is no separation between the title and all. You can add according to your wish in the blank slide. Now next, content with caption. This is another slide layout. Picture with caption. This is another type of slide layout where you can introduce picture in this placeholder. Hope all of you understood what are slide layouts and what are the different types of slide layouts. Picture is given in your textbook in page number 65. You can go through it. Next, let's see how to insert a new slide. We all know that when we open Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, by default we can see a slide. In order to add new slides, first click on Home tab. Then from the slides group, this is the slides group. From this slides group, click on this new slide option. When you click on that option, you can see different slide layouts. You can choose any of these layouts. Suppose I am going to choose this blank slide. Just click on that. So you can see that an extra slide, blank slide, has been added to the presentation. Apart from the slide we got an extra slide by inserting this new slide. Like this way you can insert as many slides you wish. So this is the method of inserting a new slide. Once again I will show you. To insert a new slide, click on Home tab. Then from the slides group, select New slide option. Then you can see a list of slide layouts. From these slide layouts, you can choose any one layout. I am going to choose this layout, to content slide layout. Just click on that. So you can see a new slide has been inserted to the presentation. As you all know, presentation is a collection of slides. So now you have 3 slides in this presentation. This is the first slide. This is the second slide that you have inserted now. Then this is the third slide. This is a blank slide which we have inserted before. So this is a method of inserting a new slide to the presentation. Next, let's see how to insert pictures. To insert pictures, we have 2 options. First option is insert picture from clipart. Second option is insert picture from file. First of all, let's see how to insert picture from clipart. So I have to insert the picture here in this slide. So first of all, I should click on this insert tab. Then you can see different groups. From the images group, you can see an option named clipart. Just click on that. So you can see the clipart task pane has been opened at the right side of this window. This is the clipart task pane. Here there is an option named search for. You can search any pictures by typing the name of that topic. Here by default it is animals. But if you want the pictures of some other things, you can enter the name of that topic here. Suppose I want the pictures of flowers. So I can erase this thing, the animals, and I can type flowers here. and click on this go button. So you can see the pictures related flowers is appeared here. You can choose any picture you want. I am going to choose this picture by clicking on that. So you can see that picture has been inserted on this slide. Now while looking on this picture, you can see a green colored dot beside this picture. This green colored dot is used to rotate this picture. Suppose I am going to click and drag. You can rotate this picture by clicking and dragging. Did you see? The picture that I have inserted has been rotated to the right. So this green dot is used to rotate the picture in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Also you can see some dots at the corners of this picture. Did you see? And also this square shaped dot. These are used for resizing the picture. Resizing the picture means making this picture larger or smaller. So if you click and drag at this end, you can enlarge this picture. Also here, if you click and drag, you can enlarge this picture horizontally. If you click and drag here, you can enlarge this picture vertically. Likewise, you can enlarge this picture by clicking and dragging on this dot seen on the corners and end of the picture. So this green dot is used for rotating the picture, and these dots seen at the corners and ends of the picture is used for resizing the picture. Hope it is clear. So this is the method of inserting a picture from clip art. I will show you once again. In order to insert a picture from clip art, first of all you should click on Insert tab. Then from the Images group, select Clip Art option. So you can see the Clip Art task pane appeared. You can search any topic you want. I am going to search animals. After typing animals, select this go button. So you can see different pictures related to animals. You can select any of these pictures by simply clicking on that. I am going to select this. Yes. Suppose I have to move this picture from here to this left side. You can simply click on the middle of that picture and drag to the left. So it will be moved to the left side. And in order to rotate, you can simply click on that green dot and rotate it. I don't want to rotate it, so I am going to keep it as it. You can resize this picture by clicking on this end side and simply dragging. Did you see? So this is the method of inserting a picture from clip art. Next, let's see how to insert picture from file. Suppose you want to insert picture from file in this slide, this blank slide. Click on that slide and select it. Then click on Insert tab. You can see different groups. From the Images group, select Picture option. When you select the picture option, the Insert Picture dialog box will appear on the screen. This is the Insert Picture dialog box. Then you can see in the Pictures folder, in My Pictures, you can see different types of files. Then if you click on this Pictures folder, then you can select this Sample Pictures. From that sample pictures, you can select any of the picture from these options. Suppose I want to select this jellyfish. Click on that picture and click on Insert button. So, the picture which I have selected has been inserted in this slide. You can edit and modify the picture according to your need. This picture is filled in this slide. If you want this picture in smaller size, you can resize it as before by clicking on these edges and dragging. You can resize the picture as shown before. Here I have resized it and made it smaller. So this is a method of inserting picture from file. Once again I will show you. To insert picture from file, click on Insert tab. From the Images group, select the Picture option. So the Insert Picture dialog box will appear. From that you can select a picture by clicking on that and click on Insert button. So that picture will get inserted on that slide. Here by default it is filled in this slide. So in order to resize, you can click on this edges and drag it. Do you see? If you want to move this picture to the top or to any position, click on the center of that picture and simply drag it. So this is a method of inserting a picture from file. So far we have discussed how to insert pictures. We can insert pictures in two methods. First method is insert picture from clipart. The second method is insert picture from file. In order to insert picture from clipart, first of all click on Insert tab. Then select clipart option from the Images group. Then you can see the clipart task pane has been appeared on the right of that window. Then you can search for any topic and click on Go button. So the picture related to that topic will get appeared on the screen and you can select any picture you want and that picture will get inserted on the slide. Now to insert a picture from file, click on Insert tab. From the Images group, select Picture option. So the Insert Picture dialog box will appear. You can select any picture you want and click Insert button. So that picture will be inserted to the slide. These are the two methods of inserting pictures into your slide. Hope it is clear. Suppose if you want to delete any picture from the slide, what you should do is that simply click on that picture, so that picture will get selected and press delete key in the keyboard. So that picture will get deleted. Next topic is viewing a slideshow. We have already studied that a slideshow is an electronic presentation displayed on a computer screen. Slideshow means the slides which we have added in the presentation will be seen one by one in the computer. That is meant by slideshow. So viewing a slideshow means having a look at the actual presentation of all the slides. You all know that a presentation consists of different slides. So viewing a slideshow means seeing these slides one by one. So let's see what are the steps to view a slideshow. First step is that you should click on the slideshow tab. This is the slideshow tab. Click on that. Now from the Start Slideshow group, this is the Start Slideshow group. From that you can click from beginning. If you click this from beginning option, you can see the slides from the beginning. That means the first slide will be appeared first, then second, then third in that order. So select this from beginning option. So you can see the first slide in this presentation. In order to move to the next slide, you can Either left click once or you can press the right arrow key once. Did you see? The next slide has been appeared. Now the third slide is appeared. There is only 3 slides in this presentation. So if you click one more time, the slideshow will get ended, and if you click one more time, you can go back to the Microsoft PowerPoint window. So this is a method of viewing a slideshow. Hope you understood what do you mean by a slideshow. Slideshow means how many slides are there in your presentation can be viewed one by one. So if you want to view the slide from beginning, you can select the from beginning option from this Start Slideshow group in Slideshow tab. So once again I will show. In order to view a slideshow, click on Slideshow tab. From the Start Slideshow group, select From Beginning option. So you can see the first slide in this full screen. In order to move to the next slide, either left click or press right arrow key in the keyboard. The second slide has been appeared. If you click again, the third slide will get appear. If you click again, you can end the slideshow. If you again click, you can go back to the PowerPoint application. This is a method of viewing a slideshow. There is a shortcut for viewing the slideshow. You all know that this bottommost bar seen in the PowerPoint application is known as status bar. This is a status bar. There is an icon in the status bar named slideshow. Did you see? This is an icon named slideshow. If you click on that slideshow icon, you can view the slideshow. But the difference is that which is the current slide on the window, that will be shown first. Do you see? By clicking on that, you can move to next slide and you can also end the slideshow. So this is a slideshow icon. By using this, you can view slideshow. The difference is that which is the present slide on this screen, that will be appeared first. That is the only difference. Hope it is clear. In today's class, we have discussed what are slide layouts, how to insert picture. There are 2 options, insert picture from clipart and also insert picture from file. Then how to view a slideshow. Hope all of you have understood this lesson. Study well. If you have any doubts, you can call me or send message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.